Hey guys, Frenchy here from Trundles. Today we're going to talk about cutting discs. We've got a couple here. This is one from Worth and one from Euromark, the Elite 911. We have a couple others, I think the 901 and that, but this 911 is more what I want to talk about. And this isn't a dig at Worth. This is better than some of the other discs I've used. It's a good product, but the 911 is awesome. So I have already done 5 cuts with the Worth. This was the Worth disc after 5 cuts on the same tube, and then we did the same with the Elite, and this is the Elite after 10 cuts, and it's still got life in it, so there's still more to go. Even though this has done twice the work, it is a more expensive disc. But is it more expensive? If you're paying twice as much and it's doing more than twice the work, well then, you know, it's not as expensive. So with the comparison of the two discs, we got more than double out of it, and there's still a lot of meat left on it. I will do another little test in the coming weeks or months when we're going to do some more work. I think we'll get close to 20. Over 15, maybe 20. Let us know what you think and how many cuts you reckon we'll get out of a 911. Drop it in the comments and stick around for the next video and we'll see if we can hit 20.